Hello, this is Mindy from The Weekend Gardener, and today I'd like to talk to you about some techniques that you can utilize to preserve soil moisture. In many areas in the United States and beyond, we are suffering from a drought, so every drop of water is crucial to plant development during this time period. The first thing I would like to talk about is a water globe that I actually found at a discount store. Now, some people may be confused by how this water globe works, and as you can tell, there aren't any holes in the bottom or in the sides. How this water globe works is simply utilizing a characteristic of a clay or terracotta pot, and that is the fact that clay or terracotta is a very porous material. So water is actually poured down through this hole after it is placed in the pot that you want to display it in. And then slowly water will begin to seep out of the terracotta into the root zone of whatever plant you are watering. This technique is excellent. It uses capillary action, so there's not a chance of overwatering your plant. But the same principle works when you plant into clay pots. And this simple fact is why when you plant plants in clay pots, the soil tends to dry out more quickly, because the water will begin to seep through the pores of the clay or the terracotta pot. A technique that you can utilize to prevent this is to coat the inside of the pot. Now, you should only do this with containers that you are only going to fill with plants that you do not plan to eat. So only non-edibles should ever be planted in a container that has been painted on the inside. And I want to make sure that everyone understands that fact. To seal a terracotta or clay pot is simple. You can simply paint the inside with a water-soluble paint, or you can use a water-soluble shellac on the inside. Either one of these substances will actually fill in the pores of the terracotta and prevent water from seeping out the sides and the bottom, and will help you conserve soil moisture. So give this technique a try. So until we meet on the garden path again, this has been Mindy from The Weekend Gardener.